So on today's video, we're talking about how to freeze panes in Excel. Say for example, you have a list of names and there are various scores or values you attach to each name, and you want to see value 13 for Emma, for example. You'd have to scroll down to value 13, and then you know the first one is for Emmanuel. Now, if we'd want to see the value for Amelia and then value 13 for Amelia, when we scroll down to value 13, it will be very difficult for us to find out which one belongs to Amelia if we do not know the number Amelia is on. So for us to easily know the number that belongs to Amelia, we'll do what we call freeze panes. For example, this is Amelia. I want to freeze this particular column, which is column B, in Excel. So what do? I'll highlight column C because I want to freeze column B. I'll highlight column C and then I'll go over on the ribbon. I'll go straight to view. Okay, click on view. Then you click on freeze panes. All right, we have 3 different categories here that belongs to freeze pane. We are going to select just freeze pane, the first one. See what happens. It has freezed cell column B. Now if I'm looking for Amelia, value 13 for Amelia, I can easily scroll. You see what's happening? Column B is still highlighted. Now I am on value 13 and I know this particular score now belongs to Amelia. I hope this is very clear. Now, in order for us to undo the freeze pane, we just go back to view and then click on freeze panes. You click on it, immediately it will reset the sheet. All right. So now if we want to freeze this particular row in Excel, we'll highlight the row after it, which is row 3. Remember, if you want to freeze you want this row to be frozen, you highlight the row next to it. If you want this column to be frozen, you highlight the column next to it before you go over to view and then freeze pane. So now for the row, you're going to highlight row 3. Go straight to view tab, and then you click on freeze pane. Now watch, it automatically freezes row 2. Say you have a very large data set and you still want to remember what you use for the headings. This is another option, or this is the right option for you to use in order for you to know what your headings are. So imagine you're working with millions of data sets and then you need to still remember what each heading is or each column is. This freeze pane is a very good option for you to use. All right, so you appreciate this trick very well if you're working with large data sets. So that's all for today. I really do appreciate you. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and follow me on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye.